Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to set a Bing browser as a default browser on your mobile phone on your Android. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to set as default browser as a Bing on your mobile phone. You can just set as default browser as your Microsoft Bing on your mobile phone Android by using this setting. Just go to the open your browser first, click on the profile, just go inside the setting option first. Then you have the option of set as default browser. Click this. It directly goes into your mobile phone setting, and you have this first option called browser app, or you can just search where you just need it. Click on this. Now you can see the list of browsers on your mobile phone. So you just need to click on the Bing and come back. That's it. So now you can see the default browser app now had been changed to the Bing, Microsoft Bing. Or you can just change whenever you just need it. This is how you just change the default browser app to the Microsoft Bing on your Android mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.